Understanding sleep chronotypes.
Everyone has a natural sleep preference called a chronotype. Some people feel most alert in the early morning. These are known as early birds. Others hit their stride later at night and are called night owls. Chronotypes are influenced by genetics and shape not only when we sleep, but our energy, mood, and performance throughout the day.
Productivity and the early bird advantage.
Early birds tend to wake up and focus best in the morning. Research suggests they often feel energized earlier, report greater consistency with morning routines, and thrive in traditional work schedules. This can mean smoother alignment with school or office hours. However, early birds may lose steam in the evening and need a consistent bedtime to keep up their productivity.
Strengths of night owls.
Night owls are most alert and creative during late hours. They often experience a burst of productivity in the evening, which can be a great fit for creative work or flexible jobs. Night owls may also adapt better to shift work or late deadlines. However, they might struggle with early morning schedules and face challenges fitting into a society designed for early risers.
Drawbacks and health effects.
Both chronotypes have risks if their schedules mismatch daily demands. Early birds who push late hours may feel fatigued. Night owls forced into early starts can experience social jet lag, leading to poor concentration, fatigue, and even higher long-term health risks. Chronic sleep deprivation, regardless of type, weakens focus and productivity.
Optimizing your sleep schedule.
The key is to align your daily activities with your natural rhythm. When possible, schedule demanding tasks during your peak alertness hours. Prioritize good sleep hygiene, such as a consistent bedtime, reducing screen time before bed, and managing stress. If your environment allows, tailor your work or study times to fit your chronotype and maximize personal productivity.